Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both the earphones and your source device. Charge the earbuds in case so you avoid interruptions. LED indicators confirm full charge. Once charged, power the earphones on and press and hold the power button to force pairing mode. You'll see a flashing LED or hear a voice prompt. Then open Bluetooth settings on your phone and keep it visible so the JBL unit appears quickly. This saves time and prevents accidental connections to nearby devices. Once the earphones broadcast, find the JBL model in your phone's Bluetooth list and tap to pair. You'll hear confirmation when connected. Make sure to open the JBL app if one exists. It handles firmware updates, custom EQ, and sometimes codec selection for better audio. If you use multiple source devices, pair each one but connect only the active device to avoid dropouts. Also confirm the left and right channels are correct and perform an app-based fit test for optimal sound and mic performance. You're almost done. Play audio and make a quick call to confirm mic and controls work. Use the onboard buttons or taps to control volume, track skip, and summon your voice assistant. Practice these so they become instinctive. When finished, return the buds to the charging case to preserve battery and maintain pairing. If you experience dropout or no audio, try the reset. Place both earbuds in the case and hold the pairing button for about 10 seconds. Then repair. That usually clears stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.